Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Economics is tricky, but we will find which model shows how income and expenditure move through an economy in just a few quick steps. First, we need to identify models that track economic flow. While some models focus on specific markets, like loans or reserves, we need one that captures the entire national system. Next, we analyze how households and firms interact. Households provide labor and spend money, while firms provide goods and pay wages, creating a continuous loop of income and spending.
Finally, this loop is the circular flow model. This makes option B our perfect answer for how money moves through the whole economy. Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush to watch signs, trust given data, and check your steps.